and welcome back to another video of Family Time with Levi and Bella. As you guessed it, I'm Levi and
I'm Bella.
And make sure to drop a like and
hit that subscribe button.
Let's get to it. Today we have a special guest and we're gonna make him appear with, guess what? Magic. 3, 2, 1. So here's our special guest.
Papa.
Our Papa / Grampy.
Papa's okay. Just Papa.
So, Papa, tell us a little bit more about yourself.
Well, I am Papa. I'm your daddy's dad. I've been your Papa for 8 years.
The editor.
I've been your Papa for 10 years, and it's the best job I've ever had.
Yay! Let's get started. So, Papa, do the honors of opening the box and see what country we got.
Okay, let's see what country we got. The Caribbean. The snacks are from the Caribbean.
Ooh, okay.
Is that where Jack Sparrow's from?
I think so.
Okay.
Let's get started with the opening. So, since our Papa is our guest, we're gonna let him do the honors.
Oh wait,
shoot, no.
Is it one at a time?
Yes, one at a time.
Oh, okay. Well, the first one is Olay. So let's see what Olay has to say.
Ole.
There we go. They wanted to make sure it didn't pop on the way. So I'll take the first one. You have one, and then we'll take it.
Bella wants one so bad.
There you go.
This smells like a Dorito.
Okay, Olay Extreme Ranch. Let's see what it tastes like.
Tastes ranchy.
It does taste ranchy. It tastes kind of like a Dorito. What do you think?
I give it like an 8.
I'd give it a 6.
I
Maybe.
got a 9.
9? Wow, you must really like it.
That is so good.
Okay, let's see what else do we have. You want to pick something?
Sure. We should save this one for us. I want to get this one. What's this one called? The Loser.
Loser.
The Loser.
Oh, it's pineapple.
That is what it's called. So crack open that loser.
Yeah, because it's a
And see what it
loser.
tastes like.
No, it's not The Loser. The Loser, like the baby.
I don't think there's enough for everyone. I think I should just try.
I get
Oh, sorry.
I get
Good
a
show.
piece. You get 9. Okay, fine.
Okay,
Is
my
it
turn.
pineapple?
That tastes like coconut. That's so good.
You can try it first. There you go.
Oh no, the Caribbean
I get the bigger
it
piece.
fell. No, Papa.
Wow. Here, me those chips. Try another one.
Digestive.
Digestive.
Chocolate, digestive. Must be good for your stomach.
Especially if you have
Probably gonna
stomach
make-
problems. That's good. Please, Papa.
Tastes like a chocolate cookie. I'd give it a 5.
Cameraman / dad, you want to try?
You're almost there.
It's like a Kit Kat.
Kind of. Eh.
I give it like a 4. And it tastes pretty good, but
I give this a 10.
How about we try the banana chips next? Scary Mary's. Oh no, St. Mary's. Sorry. I was thinking about my mom. Let's see what's inside of these.
I'm thinking about By the way, that is his mom's name. Give me chip.
Oh no. I give these a 1. I say we try another one.
I give this one a 5 out of 10.
Me too, same.
I still give it a 1 or 2. Let's see what's up with Tiki Gold.
It's my turn.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm older.
Okay.
Hmm.
You do.
Hey, I wasn't done. It tastes like a whatchamacallit.
It's just like a Kit Kat.
No, that's what the candy's called, whatchamacallit.
Oh.
It's from when I was a kid.
Whatchamacallit? I thought it was your mom.
Whatchamacallit?
I give
Scary
this.
Mary.
Ew, it has an aftertaste. I give this a 3 out of 10.
I give it an 8 or 9 because it reminds me of whatchamacallit. Cheesy Volts.
Cheesy bolts.
They're monster paws, not cheetah paws.
Whoa.
It's basically like a rip-off,
Or their version.
Ooh, they're spicy.
their version.
It's disgusting.
What? No, I'm just kidding. I'm the king of the world.
What do you think about them?
Cheesy.
I ate out.
That has a kick.
They are spicy
I want some.
and volty.
They're 8 out of 10.
I give them an 8 out of 10 because they kind of taste like the Cheeto Puffs, but they kind of don't.
I
So that's my vote.
I give it like a.
What else do we have here?
Spicy.
Who wants to open the
Me.
ginger biscuits?
Ginger biscuits. Yeah, funny joke. Where do pencils go to vacation? You guessed it, Pennsylvania. We should put some ice cream in it. Ice cream sandwich.
Oh, that would be nice.
Wait, can I have one?
Tastes like a gingerbread man.
Oh, it looks like those.
I'll get a piece of yours. No, it's a flying cookie.
I'm gonna save the packets. I want to get more of these.
Tastes like ginger.
We should time out for a little bit because you know my sister.
Yeah, we probably should.
I think. So old man, tell me about the thing called whatchamacallit.
Well, it tasted like this. It was chocolatey and kind of had puffs inside. Tasted kind of puffy. But it was called the whatchamacallit. And the commercial was, well, what is it called? A whatchamacallit. And I think back in those days, which I ain't that old.
Back in the days like the 1800s?
No, it's more like the 80s.
I don't believe you. Oh, hey.
Oh, she's back.
Hi.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Yes.
What was your first tattoo?
I tried to write the word mom on my finger with a little needle and ink. Didn't work out too good. And then the rest is history.
Which one's your favorite?
Of the ones you have now.
Of Mimi.
Mimi!
This one right here, Mimi.
Mimi.
Mimi is their Mimi. So just to wrap this up, since I'm the guest, I want to ask the last question. What was your favorite snack of the snacks from the Caribbean?
Oh, I think everyone knows which one's my favorite. They're these ones.
It must be. It's almost finished. And yours?
I like these ones. I don't know what it's called.
Which
Again,
one?
these were called
Cheesy Volts.
Cheesy Volts Monster Paws. Not Cheetah Paws, Monster Paws.
Thank you for enjoying another snack crate with us, and
Thank you, Papa, for joining us.
Thank you for having me. It was fun. Now, don't forget to like, support, leave a comment, and follow these two.
toodaloo.